I want to videotape this.
Well, don't be standing out there.
Well, no, but I'm videotaping it from the window. The camera can see it just fine. Yeah, and I hope my fucking GoPro doesn't go flying away. Probably should have tied it down, I guess. That's something, but... What is it, like 8:30 in the morning or something stupid like that? Of course, on the camera it shows that it's like a light blue, but really it's like dark. It's funny that the weather radio's not going off. It hasn't even gone off yet. I think that guy just got trapped there too at the construction site. I don't think he'll be leaving anytime soon. You can tell it's definitely raining over there pretty good. Oh, come on, stop focusing on the screen. Of course, I can't get my camera to zoom back out. Stupid thing. Yeah, it's starting to hail already. Cat. And the poor cat. Well, the door is open, so they could run to the door, but they're stupid. They're not wanting to do that. Gary and Grizzly and the fluffy one. That's some good sized hail though. That's some good sized hail. That's about pea sized hail right there. The camera's probably not picking it up. Well, they're out there. They ran now for it. We got about pea sized hail already. I'm surprised it's hailing first. I think it would want to rain like crazy and then hail. Well, oh, the hail's getting bigger. About pea-sized hail. Oh, look at the size of that big sucker. Oh, they're getting bigger.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah, I got two cameras going. Got the globe out there too. Oh, this little bit of hail won't hurt it though, I don't think. Yeah, they are. "8:30 in the morning, we're close to 9 o'clock and the pole light's still on. That's how dark it is. Sucker's dark. Getting some little bit bigger hail now. Oh, we're getting some bigger ones now. A little bit bigger than pea size now. Oh, look at that big one. Oh, look at that size of that son of a bitch. Holy shit. That was... You can just hear it pounding on that spool. Holy shit. Oh, getting bigger hail. Getting bigger hail now. Uh-oh. That's not good. Oh, look at the size of that son of a bitch. Oh, hell no. Oh, fuck. I hope it doesn't destroy the car. Hope it doesn't destroy my fucking windows. Son of a bitch. Holy fuck. Oh, hell no. Oh, look at the size of that son of a bitch. We're getting what? Oh, look at the size of him. We're definitely bigger than pea-sized hail now. Holy fuck. Oh, I heard a big one hit the roof. Holy fuck! Fucking car! Holy shit! God damn it! Son of a bitch! Stay in here, cat! Get back in here! Get back in there! Get back in there! maybe I won't. Maybe it won't hurt it now. I don't think it's going to get too much bigger than this. Stay in. Cats are stupid enough to want to go out in it. Exactly. I told you not to go out there. Fucking retard. We're getting back in the pea-sized tail again. Oh yeah, the tail's about over now. We're just getting rain now. Holy fuck. That was a good sized hail. Wasn't even that hot out. I don't know where all the hell this is coming from. Still hailing a tiny bit, but we're back to pea size now. And getting smaller too. Well, it's been a long time since we had a storm like this. Holy shit. Long ass fucking time. Well, you can see all the, like the haze now from the rain or the ice melting or something. Look at it. It's crazy. It's like smoke. Still getting purple lightning. No, that's not good. Look at that smoke coming off that side of there. Holy shit. Still lightning too much though. Fucking cat stupid running out. Holy shit, look at all the hail back here. There's even a trucker over there too, unloading his fucking vans. I bet you he ran for cover real quick. The globe's alright, I guess. Got some protection there, I guess. Oh, I heard that. Yeah. I didn't even see you. There's still some clouds over here though that are still kind of nasty looking, but I don't know what they're going to do. They ain't really doing anything. Come on, camera, focus through the fucking screen. They're kind of low though. The clouds, they're a lot lower than they normally are. But I would sure like to know what brought this storm on. Wasn't really that hot out, I don't think, yesterday. Well, what's that got to do with anything? Well, usually nothing like this. This is probably the worst storm I think we've had yet this year. Well, down there in the cities they've had it way worse, but up here for us. So I don't know. Still getting some good lightning though. And the trucker goes right back to work. Like, come on, it's still raining and it's still lightning. The clouds are still super low. Well, what they did this morning was just not acceptable. Look at that one cloud. It's acting so weird. There we go. This one cloud's acting a little bit funny. But it doesn't seem like it's rotating really a lot or anything. It's probably just a cloud falling apart, I think. It's starting to move back the other way again. That's not too good. I should get this camera to freaking zoom out. Stupid thing.